comprehensive guide to help you get started with email marketing in 2024. Step 1. Understand email marketing basics. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves sending targeted, personalized, and relevant messages to a specific audience via email. Why is email marketing important? Email marketing helps build relationships, fosters loyalty, and drives conversions. It's also a cost-effective way to reach your target audience. Key terms to know: email list, a collection of email addresses of people who have opted in to receive your emails. Email campaign, a series of emails sent to a specific audience. Open rate, the percentage of recipients who opened your email. Click-through rate, CTR, the percentage of recipients who clicked on a link in your email. Conversion rate, the percentage of recipients who completed a desired action, such as making a purchase. Step 2. Choose an email service provider, ESP. What is an ESP? An ESP is a platform that helps you manage and send emails to your subscribers. Popular ESPs: MailChimp, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign. Consider the following factors when choosing an ESP. Pricing. Choose an ESP that fits your budget. Features. Look for features like automation, segmentation, and reporting. Ease of use. Choose an ESP with a user-friendly interface. Step 3. Build your email list. Why is building an email list important? Having an email list allows you to communicate with your audience and build relationships. How to build your email list. Opt-in forms. Add opt-in forms to your website or social media profiles. Lead magnets offer incentives like free ebooks, webinars, or discounts in exchange for email addresses. In-person events. Collect email addresses at events, conferences, or trade shows. Social media contests. Run contests or giveaways on social media and ask participants to provide their email address. Step 4. Create engaging content. What makes content engaging? Content should be relevant, informative, and visually appealing. Types of content. Newsletters. News and updates about your brand or industry. Promotional emails, special offers, discounts, or sales. Educational emails. Tips, tutorials, or expert advice. Best practices for creating engaging content. Keep it concise. Use short paragraphs and bullet points. Use visuals. Add images, videos, or infographics to make your content more engaging. Make it personal. Address your audience by name and personalize the content. Step 5. Optimize your emails for mobile. Why is mobile optimization important? Most people check their emails on their mobile devices, so it's essential to optimize your emails for mobile. Tips for optimizing your emails for mobile. Use a responsive design. Ensure that your emails adapt to different screen sizes and devices. Keep it simple. Avoid clutter and use clear headings and short paragraphs. Use large buttons. Make it easy for recipients to click on links or buttons. Step 6. Send targeted emails. Why is targeting important? Sending targeted emails ensures that your message reaches the right audience at the right time. Types of targeting. Segmentation. Divide your email list into segments based on demographics, behavior, or preferences. Personalization. Address your audience by name and personalize the content based on their interests or preferences. Step 7. Track and analyze your results. Why is tracking and analyzing important? Tracking and analyzing your results helps you understand what's working and what's not, allowing you to optimize your email marketing strategy. Step 8. Comply with anti-spam laws. What are anti-spam laws? Anti-spam laws aim to protect consumers from unsolicited commercial emails, also known as spam. Key anti-spam laws. Can-Spam Act, U.S., requires commercial emails to include a clear subject line, physical address, and opt-out option. GDPR, EU, requires explicit consent from recipients before sending them commercial emails. Step 9. Build relationships with your audience. Why is building relationships important? Building relationships with your audience helps you establish trust and loyalty. Tips for building relationships with your audience. Respond to feedback. Respond promptly to feedback and concerns from your audience. Be transparent. Be transparent about your business practices and policies. Show appreciation. Show appreciation for your audience's loyalty and support. Step 10. Stay up to date with email marketing best practices. Why is staying up to date important? Staying up to date with the latest best practices helps you stay ahead of the competition and ensure that your email marketing strategy remains effective.